Hello, it's Michelle from Sound Intuition here with another episode of self-care rituals. Take care of yourself so that you can shine your soul's light. Today's self-care ritual card is make a meal. Make a meal. So I know we all have really busy lives, and sometimes it can be really daunting or seem just too much to cook dinner or make a meal. But it is so important to learn how to cook, to know how to cook, and to prepare your own food. When we buy food, it has a lot of preservatives, a lot of added stuff that we just don't really need, and it isn't really feeding our bodies properly. And we end up feeling sluggish and, retaining water or just not feeling good. And we don't know why, but a lot of times it's diet related. So without getting into the whole long, deep rabbit hole of our diet and food, which is a topic that is important to talk about, because a lot of us think we have healthy diets, but really we don't, because we're eating a lot of processed and already prepared foods, or we're eating out a lot. But when you cook yourself, you cook things yourself from scratch, it's huge. It makes a huge difference. And you really connect to what you're eating, and you really can put your own energies in it, your own joy. And there's just something about eating something you've cooked and it tastes good and feeling like, so accomplished and so good. If that could be the best part of your day. So, or just trying out different recipes, trying baking, trying cooking, try out different recipes, things that you like. And I know when I started really diving into cooking and even a little bit of baking too, I realized it was way easier than I thought it was going to be. And sometimes it was way harder than I thought it was going to be. Like baking is much harder than I thought it was going to be. And cooking was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. But I still enjoy to try out different recipes when baking, and try out different recipes when cooking, and try out different seasonings and herbs, and it's fun. And a lot of times you're just really using your intuition, you're using your nose, you're using, just it's this beautiful part of the brain and the body that we don't get to tap into enough in our day-to-day. It's also tapping back into that third eye intuitive instinct too. And calling people that we know who know how to cook and asking them, about recipes. And YouTube has so many different recipes, and there's just, with the internet, there's videos, there's articles, there's any way you possibly learn is available for you out there. Like if you're more of an auditory learner or visual learner, there is a bunch of tools out there for you to really help you become successful in the kitchen. So try it out this weekend, try it out tonight, try it out tomorrow. Go shopping, get some ingredients, and see how fun and easy it really can be, and how connected that you feel after, and then how much different your body feels eating something you cooked from scratch as opposed to eating something processed or eating something mostly cooked somewhere else. Like, I'm talking cook from scratch. Get the food in its raw form and cook it. Get the herbs and season it. Do it yourself. Don't get a taco packet and throw it on. Try to make the taco seasoning yourself. It's actually just 4 or 5 seasonings that you probably already have in your spice cabinet. So just things like that. But when you buy the packet, it has so much salt and all these additive stuff that it's unnecessary. It's really unnecessary. Same with chili. You can make your own chili. So many different things. So go out there, marinate your chickens, marinate your veggies, whatever you eat, whatever your diet is, and really try to cook something from scratch and see how you feel, and check in with me. And as always, I invite you to like this video, to help me out and let me know that you enjoy it, to share with your friends, to subscribe to my channel, and there's more to come. Thank you. Bye. Sending love.